So hi there, hello internet, welcome back once again. So today what I decided was to unbox my package from Amazon, which I just got delivered an hour back ago. Got delivered my new multimeter. Earlier I was using a very old one that will be lying somewhere around here, so I'll show you that. Come over here. Yes, this was the multimeter which I was using. It's not quite accurate, it's quite good for beginners, but yeah, but I try now. This time I just bought Naya है इसके अंदर. So yeah, I'm so excited to open this. So it's gonna be fun. This is my first unboxing video. Let's do it. The price of this multimeter was around 799, but I got it with 749 rupees only, while paying turned down to 749. I don't know how, but it is what it is. So let's go for it. Box look quite good only, but I don't need the box. So what I got here is the cables, the rope, and then I got 3 batteries. Then this is the multimeter. For that I got some warranty card, then some details, some instructions, which probably I'm not gonna read it, but I'm gonna need it sometimes, so keep it aside. Wow, it's so good, man. Dun dun dun. Yo, this will connect to the ground, the negative here, the common port. Then, well, these are of good qualities. Yeah. This for 10 ampere, for this one for 200 milliampere. For now, this will go here. Okay, let me insert the batteries. Oh yeah, it's working. And then what does this mean? Oh, see, I got even the backlight. I thought it was torch. Or what if I press long press for this? It shows a torch like it. Oh yeah, I can see a light here, so it should glow. I don't know how it is. That is why the company has gave us this menu, you know, instruction menu to read it. So blah blah blah. Where's the torchlight? I don't see the torchlight. I'll try reading it afterwards, but one good function is like, oh, I can see some torchlight here. And what the heck is this? I don't know. Well, I'll get used to it in a few days in time. So when you see over here, I have one function so-called the NCV. I don't know what's the full form of it right now, but out here on top of it, something is popped up. It's written NCV. So this one is to detect current in a wire and detect electricity in wire. So right now this my adapter cable is connected to the power board, so and the switch is on. So like if I take this near to it, it gives out a beeping sound. That means that electricity is passing through it. So yeah, that's it. That's all for today. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and then see you next time. Okay, bye bye. Hey, come over here, check this out. This part is the most satisfying thing whenever you buy new product. Wow.